Aloha, dear hearts. I'm back. So, this is our entrance, which to me is going into an enchanted forest. I'm not sure what the title of this is going to be, but I do know it's about nature and how it's so symbolic of who we really are, of reality. Not that it is reality, because it is so temporary, but it's very symbolic. I guess that's why, for health and well-being, we're always told, get out in nature, go for a walk, breathe some air, just get away from it all. So, nature is always pretty simple, trusting, still, except for the things that are around it. If a bulldozer comes in or man-made things, sounds. But in itself, its own essence is stillness, trust. It bends with the breeze. It doesn't resist. It goes along with the plan, the big picture plan. And my experience with being still has been quite rewarding. And I've come to know that being still takes us, insights just come. Things just arrive. It seems so quiet, and the mind's always trying to get in there. You should be doing this, you should be doing that. And just very recently, I've come to the insight that everything is just happening. The leaves are just falling. The dishes get done. Things move. They happen. They're said. Words are said. Supposedly, decisions are made. And that helps me to remain more at ease and resting in the stillness that God Himself tells us to be still and know. And what I'm experiencing is being still, the knowing arrives. It just comes. From where? I don't know. I just know it's not from the mind, and it's not from belief. It's not because someone else said it to me so much, but things have been said that I take to heart, that I resonate with, and I feel like they came to me because I was still. I did spend time being still. And so these arrivals happen. And that's the simplicity of it all. To truly know who we are, really, what isn't going to disappear and vanish. Just by being still. And when the thoughts come, to practice observing instead of falling into them and thinking we have to do something or do what it says or get involved with what it's saying. Even the emotions, the feelings, all of that. Maybe all of this is just encased in a womb with no separation. It's just all happening. The movements, the forms, the labels, the beliefs. It's just happening. And without that space of the womb, it couldn't even appear. But things do. And we've been quite involved with these things. And then identifying ourselves with the body, the mind, and thinking we have free will. And so with our choices, we change things or we can move things, and it's all about us and our choices. But what if even those choices are just happenings? Not coming directly from us. Maybe they did at one time that we forgot. But what if even the choices just appear? They happen. And then we really believe that we're making those choices and then making things happen. But first, just be still. These insights will come, or they will. They will come. And then just make a little effort to be still long enough to feel relaxed in the stillness. And let everything just happen. I don't know, just be still. That's the key. Is be still without following the mind. Maybe just start with 5 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes. Start somewhere. I do a lot of it during the night when I feel I can't sleep, and I just use that time that I know nothing's going to be bothering me or calling for me or, sometimes you can just say, hey, this is my time. I'll be back. So, that's it. However this moves you, just know you're loved completely. Aloha.